Hello and welcome to this short Cetopo tutorial where we'll look at replacing our standard trees with your preferred tree models in Sketchup. Cetopo uses component trees when generating models, which means that it's really quick and easy to replace every tree in your model by simply updating a few components. You can see in Sketchup that the component trees that you'll need to replace are located here to the bottom left of your model. If you update these 6 trees, every tree across the model will update accordingly. Let's quickly have a look at how it's done. In this example, I'll be using Enscape asset trees, but you can use any component trees you like. To replace the tree, click Edit Component, and then open up the model you want to use for the tree. Place it directly on top of the default tree, then resize it so that it is the same height as the default tree. Then, move the new tree so that the trunks are in the same place, and delete the original tree. Now repeat this for all 6 of the components and you'll see that all of the trees in the model have been replaced with your chosen tree models. Now that this is done, we can have a look at how the model looks in real-time rendering softwares, like Enscape. So you can see here that the model performs well in Enscape and is easy to maneuver due to the optimized model and small file size. That's all for today. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you've any more questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our team. Thanks for watching.